Alright, so we made it up here to Yogi on the river, Cherokee, North Carolina. We got about, I don't know, 10 different groups, I guess, with us. That's my buddy Ricky's Gladiator. Got a, I guess it's what, a JKU there. My Jeep. And I guess that's it for Jeeps. I think there's one more coming. So we're going to be doing lots of exploring tomorrow. I'm going to do a nice walk around here on Ricky's Jeep. And his camp trailer there is pretty cool setup. What are you doing? Showing off your boots? Look at that. Look at them boots.
You
can't beat that, huh?
No.
Until you go a little bit too deep and they go pouring down the back.
I'm not, but I'm staying in my limits.
Give it. And then it goes, on the back straight.
Fuzzy bunnies, fuzzy bunnies, fuzzy bunnies. Did you catch anything, Ricky?
Yes, I
did. Did you? Yeah.
In the back.
They were out trout fishing. Alright guys, what's up? We are here up in Cherokee, North Carolina with a bunch of guys from the Orlando Jeep Club and my buddy Ricky Artez. And I'm going to turn the camera around and let him talk to us about his new Gladiator.
Alright guys,
what's up, Ricky?
How you doing, Jim? It's just a 2020 Gladiator. We did a Skyjacker 4.5-inch kit on it. Put some 40-inch knitted trail grapplers on it with some Machete KMC wheels. Real bead locks. We've got the rock slide engineering steps on it.
Yeah, these are sweet. So I rode with Ricky today. We were out touring the cemeteries and churches and did the Cades Cove and all that, and those steps were really nice.
Yes, we got those on there. We got some Revolution diff covers on the front and rear. There's a few things we've done to it. TerraFlex steering stabilizer, Synergy steering, Fab 4 bumper with the VR Evo 10,000S. So probably #1 selling winch we sell. So far that's been the #1 bumper for us too.
Yeah, I like how this, you know, was nice and lined up on there. Aesthetically, that's pretty nice. So it's kind of amazing because the lift doesn't look very big at all, but the Jeep seems pretty giant with these 40-inch tires.
Yeah, they don't look good stock, so.
No, they definitely look like shit stock.
I wouldn't drive it. I'd left it at the house for like 2 or 3 weeks while the lift came in because there was nothing available for it. So there's a lot more to come for it. We've got, I put the DZ LED turns, or LED fog light, the cubes. I did that, the mounts, I just didn't have time to get the lights.
Oh, up there on the, yeah.
Yep, and then we've got,
so it's the engine stock 8-speed transmission.
Yep, all that stock. We've got the new, there's a new, pardon all the mess. It's a new radio
we've been out riding
made
all
from
day.
Stinger. It's a 10-inch screen that goes in there. We're beta testing that right now. And And then I'm trying to think, we got
So this is the name of his shop, guys, in Orlando. JeepersDen and Truck Accessories.
the only other cool thing I think we've done to it so far is going to be the backup. We removed the reflectors off the bumper and then put the rigid lights in the space of them with a bracket.
This factory there?
Yep, the hooks are all factory, everything like that.
Okay, so there was a reflector in there.
Yep. Yeah, you'll see it on John's.
Okay. Cool. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. So we rode, I don't know, we probably did at least 100 miles today, just on the roads, driving around, touring here in Cherokee.
Yeah, we just did the Georgia Traverse last weekend. And
Yep. All right, well, let's turn. We're going to turn this way to the trailer. Let me back up here a little bit.
It's a Smittybilt Scout trailer with a Freedom Spirit big tent. It's got where the generator goes. I put a fridge in there instead.
Okay.
And then I got LED lights inside, all on the outside and everything.
Yeah, so I'll
like
post
that.
a picture that I took last night when we were hanging out with the LED lights. Look pretty cool.
Got everything set up on solar. So I got solar going in there, and then the solar goes on top of the tent when we're traveling, so it charges the battery. The refrigerator stays on. I've got plugs all on the outside with some switches. And we got the Foxwing awning on it.
Yeah, this awning's pretty sweet. So we're in a campground right now. So he's plugged into like shore power, whatever you want to call it. And we got lots of people here, but normally, like when they did the Georgia Traverse a couple weeks ago, you know, of course they were all self-sufficient.
I got the switch panel right here.
Okay, so
with
you
the
added that in
lights. Yep. Yeah, it's got LED lights on the inside.
there. Okay. And then you rhino line this, or Raptor, or
Yeah, so at JeepersDen, when we sell the trailer, the front box gets lined with the
you got your logo in there.
front box gets lined. The top deck gets lined the front. That way, when anything hits it off the vehicle, it doesn't scratch it all up. The top of the fenders are all lined. So like the top of the fenders, that way you can put stuff on them and all
Yeah, or
that stuff.
step
and,
on it or whatever you
yep.
need. Yeah.
And then the spare tire is supposed to go here, but since the Gladiator and the JKs have the same lug pattern, I don't run a spare on the trailer.
Okay.
So the spare off the Gladiator could go in there.
So when was the last count of how many Jeeps that you have?
Me?
Tell the truth.
I don't know how many Jeeps I got. Way too many.
Yeah, too many.
Yeah.
So really big tent. That's queen size bed in there plus extra room.
No, it's more. I think it's bigger. It's camera bigger.
Yeah, it's pretty big in there.
Yeah, we all four of us sleep up there, no problem. I don't know if I can see in there.
Oh yeah. Yeah, so the rooftop tent on the trailer is pretty cool. So you can set up camp and then go Jeeping, and you don't have to be tearing down your tent that's on top of your Jeep like how my Jeep is set up. Yeah, all kinds of room in there. Oh, you got lights in there. So did you add that shelf in there?
Yeah, I put that shelf in before our last trip to Maine.
And you got shelves or doors that come out.
I'll slide out if you need them to. That one's got like a pocket.
Yeah. So if you wanted to put your stove or something on there.
Yeah, they actually put your refrigerator on that one, and then the generator goes on the front. But I'm not running a generator.
All right, very cool. And this thing's pretty sweet too. I'm got to think about something like this for my setup. This Foxwing Batwing setup. And he's got his little. He's been cooking us food every morning over here. Playing up a little trout. Cool. All right, so let me come around. We got a lot of activity going on here. All right, well, Ricky, thank you very much. And if you guys need anything, you got a website?
Yeah,
JeepersDen.com.
We got Facebook, Instagram. Jeep Mafia is also another one of our aliases. So
Okay, so they can order parts from your website?
Yep.
Cool. All right, guys, you heard it here first. So if you need parts, Ricky will hook you up. All right, man. Cool. Thanks.
Thank you. All right, man.
Appreciate it. These are a couple other Jeeps in the group running with us this weekend. And another Gladiator Ricky did for this customer. This one's on 37s. 37s actually look really good on these. The 40s are pretty darn big, but actually they rode extremely well. I was pretty impressed. I like this color combo on this too. It's kind of stealthy. And this is another Wrangler. Just got it set up nice. 37s also. Hey, tell me about your Jeep real quick.
Hello, 2016 JKU 37s, long arm lift. Been wrecked and rolled a couple times.
Yeah?
Still alive.
Is that what this is up here?
That and
Little
the door
roll
frame.
damage right here.
That
Oh
and
yeah.
the door frame and the
Oh
door
yeah.
and-
Nice. We like to call those love taps.
Yeah, give it a character.
Yes, exactly. Nice. There we
Give it a
go.
little bit of character.
JeepersDen girls wheel harder.
Woohoo!
Thank you. we're getting ready to roll out in the morning, so guys are starting to pack up some of the small stuff and back to the real life. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to check out Ricky's place, JeepersDen, JeepersDen.com. And we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.